TV. Today we're gonna see what surprise we're gonna get out of our vending machine.
Dun, dun,
I wonder what it's gonna be. So my sister's gonna do it first. What is my sister gonna get? Sis.
Oh, there you go. What is it?
And LOL surprise stop wave 2 series 2.
Yay.
And let's put my coin inside of the vending machine. I got 2. Actually, I got 3. I've been really excited opening.
Annabelle got a lot of prizes out, so we put a couple back, and she's going to open up the LOL. So, I used the flashlight trick, and I picked up 3
Firm Star.
Future Star. I picked up 3 gold balls from Target.
Call.
Curtain call. So, in our box, over here, in our LOL vending machine, there's some more little sisters, so... Yeah! All right, there's one of them. So 3 out of the 6 are going to be gold.
3 out of the 6 are going to be gold.
Yes. And I think that Annabelle got a pink or green one. That's okay. There's going to be more. Don't worry. Remember, 3 of them are not going to be gold, girls.
3 are gold. 3
Yeah, and we're going to all do a video, too, because we found some of these little cuties. And we're going to open up these, too.
I'm opening the door first this time because I can't wait.
We're hoping for the queen. We really want the queen.
You really want the
Is it Kitty Queen or the queen?
Little kitty queen.
Little Kitty Queen. Let's see her. Oh my goodness. She's so cute.
That way I open up her.
Hey,
I
Benjamin.
wonder how she got this. All these little babies have
Here comes your brother.
Benjamin!
Say hey, Benjamin.
Look at this. We got a little new. No. Look, guys, look at her adorable little shoes.
Oh my gosh, they're so sparkly. How cute is that? Look. These Wave 2 dolls are so much cuter. Like they've glittered the shoes. Is she gonna stay? No. I know that they don't fit. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, little kitty queen, you're so cute. Say welcome to our LOL collection.
Welcome to our LOL collection, little kitty queen. Open the door.
All right, Annabelle's slowly making her way into hers. Let's see who we got.
Opening the door because
Let's hope it's not a duplicate. Who do you think you want? Who is it?
Aww.
Is that little Genie?
I think.
We already got her, didn't we?
Yeah, but hey, this is weird.
Oh, it's a different necklace than the last one that we got.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Wait a second. I need to see on the list.
Hold on. Let me see your baby.
It's little Genie, but
We didn't get this necklace. Sorry, guys. I'm moving the video around. All right. Our last video, we opened up a little Genie, and she had a clear necklace. She didn't have this one. Yeah, that's definitely a little Genie.
oh my god.
Well, that's, I guess the last necklace we got was...
Maybe Genie comes in different color necklaces.
Maybe. Let us know in the comments below what necklace your Genie came with, okay? Alright guys, give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and we're going to open up our Hatchimals next.
Bye.